this was nice. This was just as nice because K20 is always nice, especially FD2. So, anything done to it?
Yeah, so it's got a Unit 2 baffled sub.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I actually ordered one for my next engine, so it survived here. So let's hope my next engine is going to survive.
I got it for here.
Yeah.
So it survived.
Yeah. Good idea. Good idea.
Genuine spoon, catback exhaust. It's got modulo suspension, so I believe it's actually like a Honda specialist suspension.
Okay.
So it's just shocks and springs, but there's two types of models. One's got front damper adjustable and one's got front and rear. This one's just front adjustable.
Okay. The engine sounded like it had different intake, maybe?
Yeah, so RW Developments made me a 3.5-inch velocity stack.
Can we have a look on it? I think it's the best part. Yeah.
It does sound good.
It does sound really good. Like the intake sound is even more raw than the exhaust, which is always nice. Oh yeah. So the intake. There we go. Nice.
So we actually have so my friends at home who run a milling company. Mini milling they're called. So they 3D printed a scoop basically to fit the outline of the fog duct.
Oh, nice.
Obviously channels cold air to the velocity stack.
Very cool.
Just to obviously help with temperatures.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice. Maps, it's a 260 brake.
Okay. Yeah, it felt fast.
Yeah, it's
Felt
pretty good.
definitely fast.
It's a good all-rounder.
Yeah.
NS2R tyres.
Yeah. Brakes, brake pads, Project Mu, you said?
Yeah, Project Mu on the fronts, just stock on the rear, stock discs, hell braided rear lines and front lines, RBF 600 fluid.
Yeah, I think the back was a bit smoking.
Yeah.
Judging by how dirty all the wheels are as well, it gets all the brake pads, brake dust. Yeah. Yeah, inside traditional Type R red interior, very nice.
Hybrid racing shifter.
Yeah, this was also a very good addition. It felt good. I mean, K20 is always amazing. Yeah. So it's tiny bit of a short gearing through Brunchen section. You really just before you need to upshift, you kind of already in the braking zone. So that's actually basically the only place I tapped the rev limiter. Just but but otherwise it's very nice. Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity. It was good fun. So you guys enjoy the lap. Okay, we're on track. It's one of those very interesting days because by the time I got here, the track closed for an accident and then opened again. I hope I'm not gonna forget the card. Let me put it here in the center console. All right, let's have some fun. Woo! Always good. Unstable, it wants to rotate. Whenever you go, it's like woo, oversteering, which is, if you know how to use it, I love it because then it makes it more oversteery for a front wheel driven car. So I personally am definitely enjoying it, but it can really catch you off guard. Ooh, the downshift's phenomenal. Thank you. Could have taken the curb, I don't know why I didn't do it. The rotation is really quite good combined with the toe out. Would have been really good on just tiny stickier tires because it would benefit the turn in and make the rear even a bit more stable because then you could still play with a bit of lift off oversteer. Nice and playful. By the way, FD, like FN2, has split cluster, therefore you only get to see the speedometer and I get to see the near 9,000 RPM. downshift here because it's kind of useless. Keep it flat, 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 flat. Woo! Oh, it felt actually much. Okay, the brakes are getting tired, definitely. We were of course also off the ideal line. Smells something, but it could be also the car in front of us. At least we're gonna hope so, because the brake pedal stiffness is still good. Of the Titans, the Clio RS. I love the downshift. Should upshift, but yeah, might as well just lift. Cornering is quite good. The feeling in this car as well, definitely. Nice to have like an equal car ahead of us, the RS. Also 200-ish horsepower, similar weight. Loving it. Brakes are a bit smoking. But still have time to cool down here because we have a bit of a long yellow flag section because there was a car on fire yesterday, so they need to resurface that area next week, I guess. So y'all. Down here for the speed limits. Do they have speed limits on the Nürburgring? It's because for the bad tarmac area that caused by the burning car. So otherwise they're not really speed limits unless we speak about the bright side section, because where is the second access point. Nowadays you can come off there, not get back on again except for the emergency services. So officially there's a speed limit in case someone sends it into the recovery truck or an ambulance, what happened like 40 years ago by now or something. So then you have some explaining to do to your insurance company that you broke the speed limit on the public road, of course, not on the Nürburgring. But then they will find out it's the Nürburgring. So yeah. Alright, just sort of fast forward to the green flag. So far everything is good, like the temperature is good, the noise is fantastic, handling is great. I always just like love good Civic. It's so bad that these ones were just like only delivered in Asia and Malaysia. That's the burn spot, by the way. Because now we really need a bit of power. Clio lets us through, let's assume that. La 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 la. minutes. I've seen someone lose an arm like that. Because of a rollover, of course, but still. Always nice. K20, fantastic. And FD is such a great platform with independent rear suspension, unlike the FN2 that they were making in Europe. All the fairness, FN2s are actually also quite good, but not as good as that. So yeah, beautiful. This particular car handling, I really enjoyed it. I would just like maybe slightly more grappier tires, but who wouldn't? And better brake pads. Then it's good. Everything else was nice for what it is. Should do parade lap, see if we're gonna get any thumbs up. We can maybe introduce like a new feature to the channel, because although I'm like not really allowed to review cars by giving them numbers in public sessions, we can have the car park review the cars by people just reacting, or the amount of pictures that people will be taking of the car. So yeah, let's see, will anyone take a shot of this? Anyone? No one? Anyone? On the other hand, I don't like stopping here because now the brakes are cooking. Why is everything stuck? People don't know how to roundabout?